Hi guys! So, ito naman yung ating review for the PGYTECH DJI Pocket 2 filters, ND filters. So, ang lugar naman natin ngayon is mga puno. So, dito tayo sa lilim. So, okay. First, let's try the ND8. So, right now, wala tayong filter. There is no filter. So, pan lang tayo from left to right. So, yan ang no filter. Okay. And then, I'll put now the ND8. Ayan. This is the ND8. So, I'll pan to the left. And then, I'll pan to the right. Okay. That's the ND8. Okay. Tanggalin natin yung filter. Let's try next is the ND16. So, recenter ko lang. Let's try the ND16. Ngayon, wala pa tayong filter. No filter. Yan, lalagyan na natin yung filter. Okay. This is the ND16 filter by PGYTECH. Okay, pan to the left. Pan to the right. Okay, so this is the ND16. Okay, let's remove the filter again. Ang ita-try nating next ND filter is the ND filter 32. So, i-recenter ko lang. No filter. And then this is the ND 32. So, yan. Right now, we're using ND32. Okay, pan to the left. Pan to the right. Yan. This is the ND32. Okay, let's remove it. No more filter. Let's try next the ND64. ND64. So, no filter. And then, ito. ND64. Okay. Just pan to the left. And pan to the right. Alright, that's it. Let's remove the filter again. And that's our review for the PGYTECH ND filters for DJI Pocket 2.